We the Masti cage.
It's a gorgeous morning, and we are at Theodore Wirth Park for a ski race. Looks like they're fixing the ski trail.
We're making pressing snow down. So it's easier to ski on.
We picked our race packet. I was number 192, and Isaac was 193. At the chalet, we got ready for the race. So many skis lined up here. Amazing!
I guess I had a cup for you guys.
You want to get a coffee for us?
I guess I did.
Yes.
Mom took our picture. We skied our way to the start line.
Mom's coming. Hey, that is it for me.
There weren't many skiers, which was a surprise. Our race started at 9:10 a.m. I started strong. This was Isaac's first ski race. He did pretty good.
Keep it going. Looking good. Watch where you're going.
I fell closer to the finish line. Whoops.
All right, Ishmael's up. Woo! Give a big cheer here. Yeah. Here's our first place 1 kilometer skier, Ishmael. Yeah. Congratulations.
Come on, fast. I know, go fast.
That is right there.
He's right there.
Hi, Daddy.
Oh, Isaac is leading the band. Congratulations, Isaac. Yeah.
Isaac finished behind me with Mom.
Comes the Finnish volunteer with Isaac's medal.
Hang on.
Wow, look at that. And here's some fat tire racers. Fat tire racers, I hope you know this is not your start area. Your start is by the old
Can you
chalet
put it on
parking
his-
lot.
On him. Oh, yeah.
Please don't ride on the ski course.
Thank you so much. Isaac, thank you. Okay, the finishers. Ishmael, show me your medal.
Yeah, show those medals.
Turn the medal around. Can you show it to me?
Nice and proud.
Isaac, can you show me your medal too? Ooh, you can't even hold it with those gloves on, huh?
And Mama.
Keep them on. You're gonna get cold otherwise. Nah. You're relaxing in the snow.
Well, Dudgy went to get the car. Isaac relaxed on the snow. Bye.
See you next time.